This is an overview of the Queen's Accelerated Route to Medical School academic pathway. The QuARMS curriculum is based on 4 pillars, that is, areas of focus, with an overarching service learning thread which helps bring skills and concepts together. The QuARMS pathway is a combination of required courses from arts and science or health sciences, depending on your bachelor's degree admission stream, and the QuARMS seminars. Students also select additional courses, either degree path requirements or electives, and these vary based on your program of study. The QuARMS pathway is based on learning outcomes, that is, objectives, designed to provide a strong foundation for medical education. These are what we call the 4 pillars: scientific foundations, role of physician, critical thinking, and communication. Although we present these in a linear order, no single pillar is considered more important than another. For scientific foundations, we include required Faculty of Arts and Science or Bachelor of Health Sciences courses that cover such topics as biology, chemistry, physiology, and math, which may be calculus or statistics, again, depending on your program of study. In the QuARMS seminar components, it includes things like interpreting research papers, learning about qualitative and quantitative research, and a session on epidemiology. Learning objectives for the role of physician pillar are covered in such courses as English, where you're learning a lot about the human condition, and in the scientific foundations courses. In the QuARMS seminar, it includes components such as our fireside chats, which are evenings spent talking with a physician about their career and their choices and their pathway. We have some sessions we call physician as, such as physician as researcher or physician as advocate, and learning about Canada's healthcare system. Critical thinking is addressed in your required courses, as well as QuARMS seminar components such as foundational skills of critical thinking, interpreting research papers, and your reflective writing assignments. Specific communication learning objectives are covered in your required English course, as well as in components such as presentation skills, communicating feedback, and again, your reflective writing assignments. Sometimes the learning objectives for pillars are addressed separately. Sometimes we focus on things very discreetly, but most of the time that isn't the case. Did you see some of the repeated items in the earlier slides? Although we articulate individual skills and focus areas, preparing to be a medical student, and later being a medical student and then a physician, isn't about segmenting parts of yourself or your studies as much as it is about integrating knowledge, skills, and abilities. The 2-year service learning thread helps with this integration. It helps you integrate the 4 pillars through service and reflection. You'll have activities and experiences that you complete individually, as well as group assignments. This was a short overview of the QuARMS pathway. Additional information and assistance in course selection will be provided to successful candidates.